So this is a video on an overview on how a lesson works in the Code.org Studio. So what you're going to look at, we're in lesson 2 in a student view of Intro to HTML. We're going to notice at the top, we're going to have navigation of how you progress through the lesson itself. If you get to a diamond shape, we can see here at 1, 3, and 5, those are resources. They're either going to be a page like this talking about what's to come, maybe what's to come as you progress in this lesson. Or if you look at 3 and 5 are actually videos to watch about what the lesson is about, giving us some information, and it gives us the overview and what we're learning. These circle tabs up here are what we're going to notice is our work ones. Some of these are going to be practice problems. Some of these will be assessments, and some of these will be explore tabs. Generally, when we get to the end, the one, as we can see here, we have 7, which is our assessment for this lesson. And then we have 8, which is our challenge, where we're going to go above and beyond. And in some of our programs, we're going to also have this idea of continuation projects. So you're going to do some type of coding that will continue into the next lesson. It's extremely important that we don't skip steps throughout this process. The way a general window is laid out, you have your instructions up top, and then down in the bottom you have your coding window. And we'll talk about that in our next video. As I click finish on this lesson, you're going to notice it'll take me to my next lesson. And it might not do it because I'm in student view right now. Let me come back. Yep, I'm in student view right now, so it's not going to let me do that. And what's going to happen here, when you click finish, you're going to have a little green dot that appears. A green dot is you saying that it is finished. It doesn't mean that it is actually completed. So when I go back and check your work, you can literally have all greens, but I'm going to go through and check that the actual work is completed within the problems. So please just don't click through and say you completed this course. It's important that you go through all the steps, the videos, and what we learn in class to complete the problems, assessments, and then eventually your project in this unit is to design your own personalized web page.